Welcome to the Impact Map, launched by the Michigan College Access Network. We're so excited to share this tool with you. Let's get started. Access the Impact Map through micollegeaccess.org under Data and Resources. Click here, and you'll find yourself on the Impact Map. This homepage, or the Performance Overview, shows you MCAN's dashboard with 12 key metrics in 7 categories related to college access and post-secondary attainment in Michigan. Choose a geography here at the drop-down menu to get real-time data for your region, county, or intermediate school district, known as an ISD. We'll keep it on the state overview for now. Thanks to the State of Michigan Center for Educational Performance and Information, known as CEPI, we've provided disaggregated data for each metric. Just click within the description, and you'll be taken to a page that looks like this, with each data point broken out by race and socioeconomic status. Just like the home page, you can change the geography to view the data. Let's look at the capital region. You can scroll down to view and download data from the 3 most recent years. You can sort this data by population, testing year, or you can see the change between years of data presented. From the performance overview, let's check out the geography search, where you can search any of the geographies and see state, region, county, and ISD rankings for all the metrics found on the home page. Let's look at counties and sort it based on the highest completion of FAFSA. When we do this, we can see that Huron County is currently ranked number 1 for Michigan counties with FAFSA completion. Another unique feature of the Impact Map is our community asset content. You can use this to search for high schools, colleges, or local college access networks to view information on college readiness outcomes, communities served, and contact information. To find a high school, click here. Let's look at Buchanan High School. As you can see, we've included a map and location pin for Buchanan and some information about their programming with MCAN. Buchanan has an MCAN trained school counselor. They are a college-bound Michigan host site and a Reach Higher grantee. Scrolling down, we can see their data as it relates to college attainment outcomes. If you're looking for colleges, click here under Find a College. Let's search for a 4-year public institution like Northern Michigan University. We can see that they have both Gear Up and TRIO programs for students, and they're also an Advise Michigan partner institution. The last community asset is Find an LCAN. This provides information on geography served and information about the high schools within an LCAN's region. We can see the list of LCANs here. Let's look at the Detroit College Access Network. On this page, we can see that DCAN serves the city of Detroit. We see their legislators and the coordinator, Ashley Johnson. Below, we can see all of the high schools that are within the geographic scope of DCAN. You could click on any of these links to learn about those high schools, their data, and their programming. As you use the Impact Map, we also encourage you to look at your legislative districts to see what college access programming exists, the relevant access and attainment data, and who your legislators are in order to help move the needle in Michigan. To do this, click Legislative Briefs, and then toggle between the districts in this drop-down menu to find your specific House and Senate district. Let's look at House District 68 with Representative Sarah Anthony. In her district, there's a local college access network, a promise zone, and several MCAN trained school counselors. We can also see the data related to high schools in Representative Anthony's district. This is a valuable way to understand college access in your community. We hope you have enjoyed this walkthrough of MCAN's Impact Map. To start your own exploration, visit impact.micollegeaccess.org.